Okay, my name is Officer Sam Donald, D-O-N-A-L-D. I'm a officer with the California Highway Patrol out of the Westminster area office. And
could you go a little bit about what time, where we are, and what occurred on the freeway here?
Okay, so today we, at approximately 01:05 hours, we had a construction crew working on expanding the roadway on the northbound 405. We're just south of Beach Blvd. When we had a piece of equipment break off from one of the vehicles and subsequently striking one of the workers in an unknown area on his body, causing us to be called out to the scene.
Was that person taken to the hospital, and what condition is he taken in?
So as of right now, it's an ongoing investigation. We're not 100% sure of the injuries. He was able to answer questions and move his extremities prior to being transported to the hospital.
Anything else to add?
Nope.
Maybe slow it down a little?
Oh, well, yeah, obviously, you know, with construction working along the entire area here, speed limits have been reduced to 55 miles an hour. We're out here strongly enforcing that. So, of course, the speed limit's usually 65, but with all the added construction and bodies out here, 55. But even with a 55 posted speed limit, we should still work to just driving what's safe at the time of your travel. So sometimes it might be 40, sometimes it might be 45, just depending on the roadway.
Alright. Once again, your name is how?
Officer Sam Donald, D-O-N-A-L-D.
Alright, thank you.